Me, manners. Don't forget.
Mimi was going shopping with her mommy. Yay, shopping! Mimi shouted, jumping up and down. Mommy smiled. Remember, Mimi, she said, we use gentle words when we're out. Inside the big, bright store, Mimi saw a yummy red apple. I want that apple now, she yelled, pointing her finger. A lady nearby looked surprised. Mommy looked a little sad. Mommy knelt down. Mimi Bear, do you remember our gentle words? She whispered softly. When we shout, it can make people feel a little bit grumpy or surprised. But gentle words make everyone smile. Mimi thought about it. She really wanted that apple. She looked at Mommy, then at the apple. May I please have that red apple, Mommy? She asked in a small, soft voice. Mommy's face lit up. Yes, you may, sweetie, she said, giving her a big hug. Mimi picked up the apple and felt a warm glow inside. All through the shop, when she wanted to ask for something, she remembered her gentle words. Please and thank you came out softly. Everyone smiled back at Mimi. Shopping was fun with gentle words.